What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to give you 8 items. These are 8 items I have sold on Amazon FBA just recently. Now, inside this video, I'm going to show you all 8 items. Okay, I'm going to actually show them to you, but I'm going to tell you how much I paid for them, roughly what they sold for, and where I got them. Now, one thing I want to address before I show you these items is that some of these items you may not be approved to sell in that category, such as maybe health and personal care, or you can't sell that brand, okay? So I just want to be very clear, I am allowed to sell inside all these categories and all these different brands. That's how I'm able to sell some of these products. So, don't come and watch the video and think that, oh, he's just been selling for a long time, that's why he can sell it. I want you to understand that you can sell inside all the categories and a lot of these different brands. You just have to get prior approval. Now, this video is not going to address how to get approval. If you want to know more about that, comment down below and I'll do a video later on about that. But let's jump into the video. All right, here we go. So the first item right here is just Bop It. Okay, just Bop It. I ended up picking this up. You can see all of them up here. $7.98. I ended up getting this from Target. Now, one thing you need to understand about Target is that so what I actually did is I went up there, they had, I think, 14 or 15, 16, somewhere right around there of this product, and I couldn't actually buy anything more than 10. So I bought 10, put the rest back, and came back probably 20 minutes later, brought my wife, and she bought the rest of them. It wasn't like a huge money maker, okay? You can see it right there, paying $8. And here in Washington State, have to pay taxes. Target does not let you use a reseller certificate because they don't like resellers. And that's one of the reasons why I could only buy 10 is they limited my amount. They obviously realized I was going to resell them. So I couldn't buy all of them. Anyway, so I'm going to make some money on that. They sell pretty well. Obviously, right now it's Q4. We're in the heart of things, heart of people buying for holiday season. So the sales are a little bit inflated. Okay, the prices are a little bit up, but no big deal. They still sell. Here's another item, and this is an item I picked up for $7. This was on clearance. I'm getting 4 of these, I believe, like 3 or 4. I don't know the exact amount, but like 3 or 4 of these. I ended up picking this item up at Office Depot. And if you ever go to Office Depot, one thing I highly recommend is go look inside their aisles. They don't just shove everything that's on clearance in the back of the store. But let me address clearance for a second. One of the most common questions I get from people that have been selling Amazon for a while and people that are also new is, I don't have that much clearance stuff, so what should I buy? I walk into Walmart or I go into Target and the clearance aisles are just bare. There's nothing there. Well, I want you to understand that the majority of my products, let's say 95 to 98% of my inventory is all regular priced items. And this is strictly retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. It's all regular priced products. Okay? Now, there are some products that I do buy on clearance. This one being one of those products. All right? This one as well was one of those products that was on clearance. Okay? So, this one was on clearance for $7. I think it normally was $22 something, $24.99, somewhere right around there. Ended up picking up for $7. Ended up getting a pretty good deal. 54,000 office products, so they sell pretty well. I actually sold out of all these already. Here's an item. Now you'll see up here. This is a multi-pack. It's a pack of 4. Okay. This is one of those categories that I was directly referring to. Is you may not be allowed to sell in this category, in the health and household category, and that's completely fine if you can't right now, but get approval. Get approved to sell in this category. This is an item I bought, and the reason I'm showing you this is because from what I understand, I ended up picking this up at Big Lots, and from asking around, Big Lots is not going to get this product again. Okay, they're pretty sure they're not going to get it again in stock. That's why I'm showing it to you. Paid $1.75 for each one. Okay, comes out to $7 for a 4-pack. Well, as long as my math is right. If my math is wrong, you guys can beat me down in the comments. All right. So this one, it's a 4-pack. I had to do a little bit of prepping. Obviously, had to put them in a poly bag, prep them. Got to make sure the expiration date is visible. Okay, that's another big thing. That's something I'll address later on as well. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it may not apply to you yet. So if it doesn't, don't worry about it. You'll get there when you get there. Here's another item. Oops. There it is. I bought this for $100. Now, this item, it was brand new. Okay, brand new. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace. It was a local sale. I ended up, going to pick it up. It was a business that, there's a company that went out of business, a local company. They went out of business and they were just liquidating all their stuff. They had a bunch of these. Okay, and so they had a bunch of these. If you live in Washington State, you may know what I'm talking about. But it was a marijuana store, a dispensary. They went out of business. Not sure how, but they went out of business. Lucky for me, picked this up. There was only one, brand new for $100. Ended up selling it for like $270 something. Somewhere right around here. I only sold it probably 5 days ago, 6 days ago, less than a week ago. But again, this is a quality item. This is a good product. A money counter. If you don't have one, get one. A Royal Savarin, or however you say that. I actually have one of those myself. It's an older model. Does pretty much exactly what this one does. But it's a good product to have. If you use money, if you like money, get one of these. All right. So before I show you the next product, you've probably seen there's a bunch of people buying these. Okay. I probably wasn't the first one to buy it. I know I'm not the first person to do a video and show this product. There's a bunch of people that have. Okay. Now this product is something that you can get at Walmart. I believe you can get it at Target as well. Get it at some other locations. At Walmart, it's $19.99 and it sells really well. But most people can't sell this product. So you can see it right here. I'm going to show it to you. It's Monopoly for Millennials. Now this product right here, it sells. I was selling it for like the mid 40s. You can see it's doing really well. Sales rank down to 1,000. Okay. Currently selling 41, 45. I don't have any more. I wish I did, but I was selling it in the mid 40s. Back over here too. I never got it up to in the 50s, or I was never on it early enough. But when I found this product, and again, it's gonna be a product that's probably gonna be harder to find because a lot of people are buying them. It's one of those things that a lot of people want. So, but again, it is $19.99. Sells for let's say $41 right now. You're gonna about $10 in fees, maybe $1 to ship it. You're looking about a $10 profit per product, per unit. All right, so it's a pretty good product. Here's another one. Bought it for $17.95. It's Philips Wake Up Light Alarm Clock. This one, again, $17.95. Bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond. This one was a clearance item. I actually found one of these. It was, I think it was $6 or $6 something. It was used. It was on clearance. Ended up taking this up to the front, and the guy told me, hey, we have a few of those in the back. It's actually on clearance right now, or it's on sale right now, and told me the price. And I was like, all right, cool, I'll take them. And so he brought, I think, two. I think it was only two, and then I had a used one. So anyway, still a good seller. If you can't sell Philips, which is a product that a lot of people can't sell, obviously don't buy it. Something like this, if you bought it for $17.95, you could probably sell this on eBay as well. So if you guys are eBay sellers, you might consider that as well. Now I got two more products I'm going to show you, but before we get into that, I just want to ask if you guys are new to the channel and you just want to know how to make more money online, ways to be a better entrepreneur, make sure you subscribe. I put out a bunch of free videos. Obviously, every single one's free. You can check them out anytime you want to. But if you like these videos, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Here's an item I find quite a bit. Now, it's not this exact same item that I find quite a bit, but this one I ended up picking up. It's just a portable CD player. This one picked up for $1.99 at Goodwill. It was brand new, still in the packaging, still had the original price tag on it, and I ended up picking this up for $1.99. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now, one of the things I find all the time are the Sony Walkmans. Those sell really well. Okay. So any of the Sony Walkmans sell extremely well, but one of the things you need to understand is, let's see, come down here. The Sony Walkmans do the best because sometimes they sell extremely well. Let's see if there's any. There's none. Let's see if there's any down here. And there's none. No big deal. But these sell extremely well. Okay. You can see right here, $39. I don't remember exactly what I sold mine for. But again, $1.99. You can't beat the profit margins on that. Just be on the lookout for stuff like that. So just to give you an idea, okay, because Sony Walkmans are the ones I usually sell more than anything else. This one right here, okay, in new condition, selling for $400. In used condition, selling for $60. I could probably find this without the headset, probably get it for $2 to $3. This one right here, the player only, which is normally what I get, I could probably get this for, again, $2 to $3. The one that I sold recently. Here's another one, again, $2 to $3 without the accessories though. Another one, probably $2 to $3. Okay, again, without the accessories. But this is what I'm talking about. Things like this, okay, in used condition still sell extremely well. You just got to find them. Now, I'm going to show you this last item. You can probably tell what it is by if you're looking at little pictures. But the item that I'm showing you right now, one thing you gotta understand is I picked this up from Target. It was on clearance. It was the last time they were marking it down. So anytime you buy something at Target, if the price ends in a 4, that's the last time they're gonna mark it down. And so pick it up, obviously. Now, the product that I'm gonna show you, let me just show you, I guess. This one right here. One of the things you need to know about this product is, number one, not everybody can sell it. When I purchased this to begin with, the price was like $130 I was selling for. So it's probably right around here. And then it dropped. Okay, it started dropping. I didn't actually sell it in the up here. I actually ended up selling it somewhere down here. Okay, so or actually sold it for less than that. I sold it. It's probably right around 105, 120, something like that. Okay. Anyway, but here's one of the things you need to understand about this. This came with 16 of these pods, okay, of the Nespresso pods. Now, when I picked this up, I had to be extremely careful because Target was selling this product at this price because some of these units, it came in a big old box, okay, nice product, but some of these units, their expiration date for these pods was coming up within the next month or so, okay? And so I didn't want to pick those up and try to sell it. Number one, Amazon would send it right back to me, okay? So with that said, I had to kind of pick through. They had a bunch of these. I think they had like 8 or 9 of these that nobody was buying. I would have picked them up all, picked every single one of them up if it didn't have the expiration for this particular product. Now, you probably could get away with it. You could sell it on eBay, and I could have done that, but I didn't. I picked through them, and I think I found 3 of them. I think I only found 3 that I was able to sell that met the expiration, right? So just be aware of that, and it happens all the time, especially with products like this. You don't realize there's maybe a coffee pack, or there's a tea sample or whatever, or like this one, there's 16 of these pods. If they do expire, you don't want to be caught selling that stuff if you are trying to falsify the information, or you don't actually put an expiration date. You can get in trouble for that. You can get your account suspended. So those are the 8 items that I've sold recently. Now, one thing I just want to end this video with. Well, first off, if you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on this subject, on things I've sold either on eBay or on Amazon, first off, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what platform you would rather me talk about down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. But the last thing I want to address is that I've been selling on Amazon for a while now, for multiple years. Because of that, I'm allowed to sell a lot more products than most people. I also spend a lot of time asking for approval to get into these different categories, get into these different brands so that I can sell their products. And one thing you're going to understand if you do sell on Amazon, or if you're thinking about it, is that if you can get in the door with these restricted brands, that means there's less competition, because there's thousands of people or millions of people that sell on Amazon. I don't know how many people, but let's say there's millions of people that sell on Amazon right now. And if only 50 of those million people can actually sell that brand, that means you have a lot less competition. The likelihood of you making more money is easier, okay? But also, it means that there's not going to be a race to the bottom like there is with so many different brands and products. So be aware of that. Do what you can to get away from all the competition and sell a good product that's going to make you some money. All right. So again, if you have any questions on retail arbitrage, how to make money online, just business questions in general, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.